Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how EA Sports FC25 Error EA servers are unavailable right now on PC. First, check the server status of FC25 by going to help.ea.com. Then check if the EA app, EA Play, or EA Sports FCTM25 is down. If one or more of the servers are down, you need to wait for them to be back online. Restart your router and console by unplugging your router and waiting for 30 seconds. Plug your router back and wait for it to fully reconnect and restart your console or PC. Clear cache on PC by closing the Origin or the EA app. Now navigate to this folder. Users, your username, app data, local, Origin. After that, delete the avatar's cache, web cache, and or offline cache folders and try launching FC25 again. In the next step, launch Steam/Origin/EA, go to your library, select FC25, check for updates, and update the game. You can change your DNS on your PC by searching for Control Panel using Windows Search and opening it. Here, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, Connections like Internet. Then select Properties and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Here, enable Use the following DNS server addresses. Then select OK, open the Epic Games Launcher, and try signing into it. In rebuilding the PlayStation database, shut down your PlayStation. Press and hold the power button in your console for 7 seconds. Following that, connect your controller to your console using a USB cable and press the PlayStation button. Select Rebuild Database and select OK and launch FC25. Flush your DNS on your PC by searching for command using Windows Search and run it as an administrator. Now type these 3 codes, press enter after each one, and launch FC25. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.